Okay, so I'm going to show you how to tie a rolling hitch. So basically, this allows you to attach one line to another, or to a rail, or to another object, and basically if you pull it one way, it should lock up and be under tension and be able to take some load, and then in the opposite direction this should slide and slack off. So with this, what's important to note for sailing related uses is if I have a winch like this one here that's all jammed up, then I can attach a rolling hitch to this line, take the tension, wrap that around something, and then once I've taken the tension off the line, I can then untangle this mess that's on the winch. So it's really useful for that purpose. You can also use it to tie a snubber line onto your anchor chain, which basically means you're not shock loading your windlass. Like when you're anchoring your boat, a lot of the force is then going on the rope and not onto the chain and the rest of the anchoring equipment. Okay, so let me walk you through this. So I'll untie this one and then we'll start from scratch. So basically, when you're tying a rolling hitch, it's a little bit like a clove hitch to start off. So you're going to do an X, then you're going to wrap it around a second time. But then the nuance with this is, instead of taking the line through the X like you would on a clove hitch, you're going to move the standing part of the rope to one side, and this working end you're just going to tie a half hitch like this, the old sort of like granny knot like that. The only thing to remember is with this, it's like unidirectional in the way that it tensions and slacks off. So what you want to do is learn to tie it both ways. So in the very beginning, when you wrap the rope around, depending on which side you have the working end, either like this or like this, that will determine which way the line will tension. So if I was to do it the opposite way, I have the working end on the other side, then I'm going to wrap it around once, wrap it around twice, move the standing end to one side, and then I'm going to do this half hitch here, like so, tension it up, and now the line should basically lock this way and it should slide this way. Okay, that's how you do a rolling hitch.